Hello everyone. Welcome to this video. I would be so happy if you subscribe to my channel. Horse chestnut is a real miracle of nature. It is one of the most beautiful trees that gives coolness in summer and cures all sorts of ailments. From its fruits, flowers and leaves, you can prepare many different medicinal products. In medicine, the useful properties of horse chestnut as a medicinal plant are widely used. Due to the low toxicity and useful esculin, fraxin and exine, the pharmacological properties of the plant have an excellent effect on the body in many diseases. Popular drinks are made from seeds and flowers with the use of strong alcohol. Chestnut relieves inflammation and swelling. As a result of the action of horse chestnut, blood clotting slows down, so it is incredibly useful for thrombosis. It affects the reduction of capillary permeability. Esculin stimulates the production of a substance that prevents the formation of blood clots. Decoction of tree bark effectively helps with malaria, diarrhea, diseases of the spleen, normalizes the acidity of gastric juice, is ideal for the treatment of uterine bleeding, removes vascular spasms, copes with violations of the secretory function of the gallbladder. Tree bark can also be used to treat acute bronchitis. Horse chestnut flowers make a wonderful tincture used for rubbing rheumatoid arthritis, gout, and sciatica. Tincture of flowers on vodka or decoction, a real elixir for disorders of the heart, liver, gastritis, pulmonary tuberculosis, anemia and shortness of breath are well cured. Taking from 20 to 30 drops of fresh chestnut flower juice to 1 tablespoon of water twice a day, you can eliminate venous blood congestion in varicose veins, hemorrhoids and trophic ulcers. In the fight against atherosclerosis of the vessels of the extremities, the impact of juice cannot be overestimated. Horse chestnut is not edible. When it is used inside, you can get poisoning of the body. Horse chestnut and preparations based on it are used only in medicine. In the food consumed, only the fruit of the sweet chestnut. The exception is the dosed use of horse chestnut tincture, which has medicinal properties, but never exceed the specified dosage. Overdose can cause cramps in the fingers. Horse chestnut is contraindicated for low blood viscosity and hypotension. The most effective recipe is prepared from 8-10 cut chestnut fruits filled with half a liter of vodka and aged for 2 weeks in a dark place. For 2 weeks, shake the container with the product daily. Then filter and take inside first 30 drops to 30 milliliters of water 3 times a day for 30 minutes before eating. After a week it is 4 times, and in the future they switch to a 4-time appointment. The duration of treatment varies from 1 month to 1.5. If the tincture is also applied externally in the form of neat rubs on inflamed veins, thrombophlebitis, 2 or 3 times a day, or apply compresses on them, dilute the tincture 1:1 with water, for 1 or 2 hours in the morning, and in the evening recovery will come faster. This tincture relieves inflammation and edema, reduces blood viscosity, pressure and cholesterol levels in the blood, strengthens the walls of blood vessels, increases their elasticity. During treatment with chestnut preparations, fat deposits on the walls of arteries and in the liver are reduced, and pain in the area of inflamed veins and joints is reduced. Horse chestnut extract relieves swelling and fatigue of the legs in the treatment of varicose veins. The tool has an anti-inflammatory effect, increases the tone of the veins. The extract normalizes blood pressure, regulates the content of cholesterol in the blood. Chestnut leaves differ in the content of glycosides, pectin and tannins, vitamin K. They are used in medicine as raw materials for preparing infusions for internal bleeding. Horse chestnut leaves are harvested from May to September. They are dried by spreading out a thin layer. The finished raw material should have a green color and a pleasant smell. Horse chestnut can increase the resistance of blood vessels. A striking therapeutic effect is obtained in the treatment of veins that have undergone varicose veins, thrombophlebitis. Doctors recommend taking horse chestnut remedies to prevent thrombosis. Medicinal properties are shown by flowers, fruits and leaves of horse chestnut. Chestnut flowers have unique properties that allow you to achieve excellent results in endarteritis, hemorrhoids, leg ulcers, and venous lesions. Horse chestnut flowers are useful for radiation sickness. The remedy can be effectively used for the treatment of adenoma and prostatitis. The ability of substances contained in flowers to restore the amount of protein in the blood structure favors recovery from cystic fibrotic mastopathy, brain tumors. Chestnut cream helps to restore the structure of the skin and strengthens the walls of blood vessels, shows the properties of a lymphatic drainage agent. It is a good prevention of varicose veins and serves to maintain skin tone. At home, creams can be prepared on the basis of fatty oils, such as cream or olive oil, and essential oils and infusions are suitable. All components of the cream are mixed. You can store this mixture for several weeks in the refrigerator. Smearing sore spots on the skin with a special ointment with horse chestnut, you can quickly remove inflammation and eliminate venous diseases. Ointment recipe: you need to chop 5 pieces of chestnuts or 5 tablespoons of chestnut flowers. Pour half a liter of vegetable oil, boil for 1 hour, cool and strain. Before taking horse chestnut based products, you should consult your doctor. Good health to you. Thank you for watching. If this video helps you, please subscribe to the channel and give 2 thumbs up.